This is our breakfast. Breakfast Shira from 6 a.m. to 10, from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. What you want to wake up 6:30?
It's okay for me.
It's joke only. Yes. Shira, what room number?
5.
5. Okay.
It's 5 or
5 or
7.
7. Shira don't like elevator. Left. I think without window.
Yes, it's without window.
Okay, open.
I want it without window.
Please open window. Window cannot see. We want to change because we don't have window. Room not good. Hotel is empty, don't have people, but they give to us not comfortable room. But 2,500 room.
But what? Ground floor?
Ground floor. We change floor to 4 floor. Room number 416. Again, don't like it. Elevator. Maybe you go to the stair. Better walk, Shire. 16 right side. Uh-huh. Before they give to us window view, this view before. That's why we change, because I pay full money, full price. 15, 16. Okay. Oh. Same room before we stay.
Yes, 416.
You remember before?
Yes, it's 416 before. But
To
right
the,
now,
to the park, yes, the same room. Session Road is one. No, Session Road another side. But it's Burton Park. Yeah, same room.
yes, same room.
What about here? Hot water also have.
I don't know if they have
Hot water have.
water.
Yes, sir.
Because I remember we did-
Safety box, I don't know, have, don't have. Safety box, don't have.
the TV is open.
I not need TV.
So let's go. We're going to eat right now, and we're going to show to you the food here, or what the cheapest food here.
Cake Shire will take. Maybe you stay Shire, not elevator.
I don't know. Fourth floor, eh?
It's okay.